Here's the GoPro Hero 12 Black. I'm going to show you how to put on the Max Lens Mod 2. So this is what the Mod 2 here looks like. You get this front cover here and you get the back here as well. Okay, so let me put this down. So the first thing, the hardest thing is if you never taken this lens off, it's probably going to be pretty tough. I was not able to take this off with my bare hands for the first 5 times. But what we should be able to do is just go ahead and grab it, and you want to be able to twist it. You can go turn it 90 degrees counterclockwise or clockwise. Okay, so for instance, I'll grab this here and I'm going to turn it just whichever way it starts going. Okay, so this one's starting to go clockwise. Now I'm just going to go and turn it 90 degrees right there, and then I can go ahead and pull it off. Okay, and you can see those springs right there. So when we put this back on, we want to put it on just like this and then slide it, turn it so those springs slides into that groove, that bracket right there. Okay, so you go in there, and then to put it back on, put it like this, and then you can turn it clockwise or counterclockwise 90 degrees, just like that. Now really quickly, a lot of you guys probably can't pull it off with your bare hands, so what I had to do originally for like the first 5 times, I just got a credit card and I would slide it. You're gonna have to play with it, kind of like wedge it in there like that, and you can see I can kind of go almost all the way around like that. But what I did to first take this off, I put it on the top right hand side and I kind of pressed the credit card down a little bit, kind of lift that area up. And then what I had to do was I had to use a cloth. I had to put that on there and turn it. But anyway, we put this on there like this, press down a little bit, and now just turn it right or left, whichever way goes first. And then once it turns a little bit, I mean, you got it. You might have to kind of like wiggle it, but anyway, it's off. Now we'll put the Mod 2 on there, and you can see how that's lined up. So this edge will slide into these brackets here. So I'm going to put it facing up like this, just like this, and then you kind of want to just turn it right or left. Okay, now it's in. Now I can just go rotate all the way, just like that. And of course you have that cap here. It might be easier if you just leave the cap on, and if I take it back off, I can just leave the cap on there and take that off. All right.